Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys. This is how to play You Are My Life by Michael Jackson from the Invincible album. The song's in E, and the first four chords are E, F sharp minor, G sharp minor, and A. The first four chords of E major. And he sings 1, 1, sol alone. There's your melody note. Ba, 1, sol alone. I was lost in a world of strangers, no one to trust on my own. I was lonely. We play A to B there, and then we go to C sharp minor, and the melody note is an E. You suddenly appeared. It was cloudy before, now it's all clear. Kind of like a Disney feel, this song. It's got a real Disney vibe. You, C sharp minor to C major, suddenly appeared, and I've got E in the bass. So you suddenly appeared. It was cloudy before, that's F sharp minor, but now it's all clear. But now it's all clear. A to B major again. Back to the C sharp. You took away the fear, and you brought me back to the light. F sharp minor to A over B in the bass. And that's your first intro there. You are the sun. And we're going to go to E major again for the chorus. You are the sun. You are the sun. You make me shine. F sharp minor to G sharp, more like the stars that twinkle at night. Down to F sharp again, G sharp to F sharp, and again. You are the moon, you are the moon. Find the melody note, ba 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 ba. The melody note is a G sharp for this chorus. You are the moon, you are the moon, close in my heart. You are my daytime, my nighttime, my world. And we finish that on A over B in the bass again. Let's do that chorus once more. You are the sun, you make me shine, more like the stars that twinkle at night. You can put the 7 on these minor chords. You are the moon, close to my heart. You are my daytime, my nighttime, my world. You are my life. And we go back to the verse. Now wake up every day with this smile upon my face. No more tears, no more pain, 'cause you love me. And we're going to go to C sharp minor again and sing an E. You. Really hard to find the E after this. You help me understand. Love is the answer to all that I am. I'm a better man since you taught me sharing my life. C sharp, C major over E in the bass. F sharp minor taught me about sharing my life. A over B in the bass. And we're going to go back to the chorus, of course. You are the sun. You make me shine. And you could have this kind of rhythm here. You are the sun. You make me shine. More like the stars that twinkle at night. You are the moon, close in my heart. You're my daytime, my nighttime, my world. You are my life. And then we have this, I think the chorus goes around twice. You are the sun, you make me shine. So we go around again. My world, you are my life. And we're going to go to a bridge. You give me strength when I was destroyed. G sharp minor 7 to F sharp minor 7. And to C. You give me hope when all hope was lost. F sharp minor. And again, G sharp. You opened my eyes when I couldn't see. To A major. Love is always it waiting for me to B major to finish. Once again it was G sharp down to F sharp, C major down to F sharp, G sharp up to A, F sharp up to B, and it could be a B7 if you like. And we got a key change. We're in F now. You are the sun, you make me shine. G minor, or like the stars that twinkle at night. You are the moon. F up to G minor, up to A minor. Daytime, my nighttime, my world. Now it's B flat over C. B flat over C. You are my life. Back to F. And we do that once or twice before we key change again. Up a semitone, man. And we're on F sharp. You are the sun, you make me shine. More like the stars that twinkle at night. So now it's F sharp major, G sharp minor, A sharp minor, back down to G sharp. You are the moon, close in my heart. You're my daytime, my nighttime, my world. And now we've got B major over C sharp in the bass. You are my life. And we finish on F sharp major, man. You are my life, you are my life. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was You Are My Life. Next up, what is it? Privacy. I'm not sure there's much music in that one, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 songs left on the album and plenty more to come. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, click like, subscribe and all that jazz, and check out this Roland FP-30X piano if you haven't got one already. If you want to get one, this one is in the description and the pinned comment. Those affiliate links do help the channel. Cheers.